Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So in today's video, I'm gonna be organizing my entire makeup collection. The only makeup that is missing from this organization is makeup that is in my current makeup basket. And if you are interested in seeing my Makeup Basket Monday videos, I will have the playlist linked down below. I also did like a collection and declutter series, which I will also have linked down below. Also, if you are interested in the makeup look that I am wearing, it is a super glam, super glittery, holiday makeup look using affordable makeup. I mentioned in that video, it'll go up next week, probably Wednesday, I'm thinking. And I am planning on doing 2 or 3 more holiday makeup videos of different kinds. I wanna do one that's dedicated to high-end. I wanna do one that's dedicated to dollar makeup. And then I also wanna do a couple of variations, you know, kind of classic glam. Of course, this is kind of glitter glam, super glam, and it may not be everybody's cup of tea, but I do want to do, like I said, at least 2 or 3 more holiday makeup tutorials. So be on the lookout for that. And also, if you are not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me and my channel out so very much. So if you could do that, I would appreciate it so much. So if you want to see me organize my entire makeup collection, definitely keep on watching. So I hope you enjoyed getting to see me organize my makeup. Like I said, the only things that were missing are things that are in my current basket and that I have set aside for my next makeup basket. So there's even more makeup than that I'm gonna have to find a place for once it's out of the rotation, just as we do all the time as we use our makeup. And I guess that's why it doesn't stay organized. We take things out and we don't ever usually put them back where they belong. So I'm sure I will be doing more of these videos in the future. Eventually I'll have different storage, I'm sure, and so you'll get to see that. I think it's always so satisfying to see people organize things and to see things going from a hot mess to less of a hot mess. In my case, I feel some people are so much better at putting things in order than me. But anyways, it is fun. I do hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please show me you did by hitting that like button. Check out all those playlists that I mentioned down in the description box below and binge watch some of those videos. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.